Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar Livingston. A couple of songs he released recently now, and we are there to get them on Going Guitar, of course, a couple of them at least. So, Nightlight. Alright, so we have this cool melody going on there, and we have mainly the strumming we're gonna work with. So let's go into Nightlight together. You can see here, no need for any capo, and we have 5 chords to handle. So let's start with the chords. We have B minor first, which is a bar chord. So I'm gonna place the index finger on the 2nd fret and push down all strings except for the last E string. You don't need that one. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Alright, that's the first chord. We have G next, and that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Next chord is D. Okay, so that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have A next, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And finally, we have the E minor. Okay, so E minor goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so let's go into the melody here, and it's played in the verse. So we have a melody that is based upon the B minor, G, D, and A. Okay, so the B minor part first goes like this. So you basically hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play 2nd fret A, 4th D, 3rd B, 4th G, 4th D, and 3rd B. Okay, that is one round, and that's the one round you're gonna play. Next is the G part, and you can start with just the 3rd fret on E string in the bass, and it goes like this. Okay, so I hold that 3rd fret E with my ring finger. That's just me. You can do that with your mid finger as well, but you're gonna have to add a finger on the 2nd fret G string, so have that in mind. You have that index finger or the mid finger for prepared for that 2nd fret G. Anyway, you're gonna play 3rd fret E string in the bass, then open D, then open B, open G, open D, and finally the 2nd G. Okay, in tempo, one round, and from there on we're gonna go over to D. You hold the chord as it is, the full chord, and you're gonna play like this. That goes open D, 2nd G, 2nd high E, 3rd B, 2nd G, and 2nd high E. Okay, and the final chord will be A, and I hold that as it is as well. You can actually skip the 2nd D if you want to. I hold it because I want to be prepared later on for the strumming to hold the full chords. Anyway, now you're gonna play it this. So you're gonna start with open A, open high E, 2nd B, 2nd G, open high E, and 2nd B. There you have the final chord in this melody. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through one round of this chord progression with the melody, and it goes like this. Alright, so there you have it. Now you can play this, or you can play the strumming, right? So we're gonna go into the strumming right now, and if you grab the first chord again, the B minor, one strumming round will sound like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, up, down, up. Then comes clap, up, down, up. Okay, so if you put that together, it will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. And that is one round. Okay, you're gonna play one round per chord in the same chord progression, of course. So B minor, 1, G1, D1, and A1, like this. Right, so you have two ways of handling the verse. Now, I can just mention the verse and the chorus will be played in the same way. I would prefer to play the strumming and the chorus, perhaps the melody in the verse or so, but basically it's played in the same way there, so you can choose to go either way. Now, in between there, we have the pre-choruses, two of them. It happens about 37 seconds in and 1 minute and 52 seconds in, all right? So this is the part where we need to handle the E minor. Let's go into this, and we're gonna play the strumming. We're gonna use the same strumming pattern as we learned for the verse / chorus. And now you're gonna play E minor 1, D1, A2, and the second half will be to play E minor 1, D1, and that's it. Okay, so no A in the last half of it, cause there's a pause there with just the lyric. Okay, so that's it. One round of that: E minor 1, D1, A2, E minor 1, D1, and a big pause like this. And pause. Right? And there you have all the parts, guys, to handle Livingston's Nightlight. A nice uplifting song. Give it a try. And remember, these string patterns mainly or usually in the songs, they're not guitar songs. So therefore, we have to come up with a pattern that fits the sound, but also the timing. So it can be done in different ways. So you can play it in different ways. These string patterns. This is my interpretation of it. And yeah, it works pretty fine actually to have these. I think most of guitarists will perhaps use a similar pattern that I choose for my tutorials. So just want to get that out so you understand why we teach certain ways of patterns and so on when it's not like a guitar song. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this one, and till next time, play tuned.